Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Logic World YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this simplification problem together. Let's begin. Using PEMDAS, P is bracket, E is exponent, which is known as order, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. Multiplication and division are in same order. Addition and subtraction are also in same order, but from left to right. So to solve this problem, we can do like 5, two divided by 2 is 1. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. Let's solve this with a different method. Using PEMDAS. So first of all, from left to right, multiplication and division have same order. So here is multiplication and here is division. So we're gonna follow left to right rule, and that means we are going to solve this first. 1 times 0 is 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Now we get 6 plus 2 divided by 2. Now we're gonna focus on division. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So that's the correct answer. Thanks for watching.